Classic guys, launch time. Took me forever to get ready. Whew. Still dark. It's 5:53. So there's a couple of waves there. See how we go. So we can get on some fish. Oh, no, there's waves. Catches. That's about it. Be launch time. Yep, sun's up. Waiting for the others. The Burley deployment did not exactly go to plan. Snap, don't know if I even had the camera going. Not a bad snap. Put him back in the pod. Oh, gurnard. First gurnard. Got a gurnard. Not a bad size, eh? I know they got barbs on them, don't they? Where are they? Around the head. Can you hold them underneath, or are they like those, or? What a beautiful fish. I've seen you catch heaps. Yeah.
You can grab them through the gills.
Oh, can you?
Right, so underneath and through the gills.
Yep.
You got a fish on the other rod as well.
Oh shit. Maybe not. I think I lost him. Oh, no. Do you call that a fish? Good livey.
That's good size unit. They get a lot bigger than that though.
Oh, do they? There wasn't even any bait on this, he just took it because it had a little worm on it.
Oh, yeah?
Yeah, put a little glow in the dark worm on it. I don't think there was any bait left on it. See that?
Yeah.
Got that from Gary in that last year. It actually worked real well. I haven't really got one set up for lively. I'll just drop that down there. I'll probably head out now too, to be honest.
Oh, I'm getting tons of snapper, they're just too small.
Ah, they? Yeah, I've only got the one.
One good one on the first snapper that I got.
Yep. Another good eater. Good for a feed. Not gonna knock back a feed. Big fish, nothing will. This will probably be a carwhite. Feels like a snap, this one. Yeah, it feels like a snap on a lure. On a squid that I just had sitting there for ages. A catch squid. I'm playing it pretty light. Oh, I'm not too sure, to be honest. Nah, it's probably a carwhite. Not really head nods. I think it's just because I'm playing it so light. Yeah, it's a carwhite. Oh no, snapper. Not that big. All right though. Gotta love that on a lure. Oh, my stray line, my stray line. It's big, so. Come on. Whoever's chewing at it, have a proper go at it. I'm going home with a feed. Unless I let you go. Hey, 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 hey. Hey. Oh, I don't know if my camera's on, but oh, it'll be a dirty carwhite. What's it done? I don't know. Oh, it's gone under me. Whoa! Oh, another snap. Knew it was better because it's on a big stray line. Well, he's only just hooked this guy. How's anyone? Oh, he's gonna. No way I can get him like that. He'll be off in 2 seconds. Yeah, he's blown up. Nice snap. Not a bad snapper here. Alright, snapper right there. a spot. Is that gonna nearly wave on me? Interesting if it did. Nah. Pretty cool. White cliffs. Splitting the rocks. What an epic spot. Got a few good snaps. Gary got a 20 pounder. Blair up here killed it. Heaps of fish. Caught a 2 or 3 over 10. Anyways, I'll talk to you guys later. Alright. First day done. Ticked off snapper and gurnard. Got a 5-ish snapper. No, good session, good fun. Definitely ain't gonna get the species. Maybe we can hope for an average weight for us. Anyway, I'll see you tonight or tomorrow. See ya.